Scratchers are dumb. They don't know how the world works. They don't know even how Scratch works. They don't know anything. So in this video, I got some of the dumbest things Scratchers have said and I'll show you. Let's watch together. Let's get started. This can contain my comments because I am dumb. Guys, don't do this. It's highly against the TOS CG as it limits the ability to remix. Yeah, nobody likes it when somebody rips off your game by remixing it. That's the point. You all agree. Embrace remix culture. Remixing is when you build upon someone else's projects, code, ideas, images or anything else they share on Scratch to make your own unique creation. Remixing is a great way to collaborate and connect with Scratchers. And when you share something on Scratch, you're giving permission to all Scratchers to use your work in their creations too. Nerd. Best response. Nerd. Try my games, please. You need to read the instructions. Why? Why do I need to read the instructions? Oh, so there were rules. You cannot advertise. Why? Does anybody know how to make a game with one sprite? I watched the video, but it did not show me all the coding. Yes. You? Yes. Okay. Not asking how, not asking why. Did you guys understand the video? I did not understand. Did you guys? Yes. Okay. I'm not asking for explanation on how did you get it, what do I do? Just okay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/someone. No, I have my own. Subscribe now if you don't have your own channel, and if you do, well, subscribe, bro. I'm not this guy. It's like saying play my games. No, I have my own, bro. Am I the only one who looks in the comment section while waiting for it to load? No. 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 Definitely not. No, no, and no. Public rejection. Have you ever faced this? 6 different people disagreed with this guy. 6 different people. This is just sad. This school. Lol. Oops, I accidentally reshared this. Lol. My score has 10 digits. It goes up fast. I can't count it. Me too. Lol. Lol. Why? This guy just finds everything funny, bro. Everything. Even this video. Lol. Which game is better? Cookie Mania or Bitmap 2020? Obviously, Cookie Mania got more votes. Minecraft is better than these games. Like, no logic. No, not at all. Guys, all games are bad. Minecraft is better than your game. No matter what you make. You make GTA 6, Minecraft is better. Yes, thanks, bro. Yes. These guys are just annoying, bro. Yes. Yes. Not yes. Yes. Okay, so a Scratchgram comment. I made Scratchgram. So, can I remix? No? No, you cannot. This is like asking Scratch team before joining Scratch. Can I join? कितने गंदे जोक मारता हूँ. You are Crash in Sky with clouding. Easiest platformer script ever. Remember to remix, like and share. No collision detection yet. But we'll be coming soon. So maybe 2-3 months maybe. April 27, 2021. What's today's date? 30th June 2023.
I guess he's taking a bit longer than usual. I think he will release it in 2-3 days, I guess.
Turbo Warp breaks the game. Is there any way to avoid it? Sorry, I missed Tibet's Turbo. How do you do that? Like, Turbo Warp breaks the game? Turbo Warp breaks the game. Turbo mode breaks. There is no M in Warp. There is no O in Warp. There is no D in Warp. And there is no E in Warp. Okay, his username defines his actions. Like, okay, bro, you are an average Scratch user. If hacker reads this, why are you hacking someone's Scratch account? Instead, make your own. Making your own is 4 times easier. Facts? Why are you hacking my account with 1 million followers when you can just create your own and gain 1 million followers yourself? Not like you will not earn money as much as when you hack a 1 million followers account. Just create your own. 4 times easier. It's alright. By the way, can you try my clicker? This is literally everyone in my comments or any popular Scratchers or YouTubers comment, bro. Like, nice video. Check out my game. Play my game. Oh, so that's advertising. Not advertising, I swear. When you don't know about the next costume block, Switch to costume Giphy 28. Wait.
0.09 seconds, switch to costume, give it 29, wait for 0.9 seconds, give it 30, 0.9 seconds, give 31.
How can you not understand next costume? Next word. I think I knew the meaning of next in, let's say, KG2. How do you not understand the word next? I just don't understand. How do you not understand? I know what next means. I am Scratch user, but I am not dumb. Not that dumb. Sometimes things are so fast, they get faster names. What is Turbo Flash? Turbo mode? Turbo Warp? Turbo Flash. Literally, that's what I wanted. 9 out of 11. Okay, so a Scratch advertising link. Whoops! Sorry about that. Delete that. It was an accident. Surely it was an accident. Like, it happens to the best of us. Like, we just randomly scroll on Scratch and sometimes you just paste link in comment section. Like, it's so common. You guys agree, right? Right? Hello, follow me. Best way to gain followers. Hello, follow me. So life be like when the green flag clicked, repeat 80, change age by 1, wait 31536,000 seconds, die. I didn't know when we were born we immediately turned 1 year old. I turned 1 year old in 2006 when I was born in 2005. So that's actually crazy. This script is broken or my life is broken. My name is
Walter Hartwell White. I live at 308 Negra Arroyo Lane, Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87104. This is my confession.
See inside Anagraph Batch project, high speed computer. Let's actually try if this actually works or not. Let's see. So Graph Patch. Okay, let's open up his project and let's click on see inside. Okay, it actually works. I don't have my PC anymore. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video when I get a new PC because my PC just blasted or what do we call it, exploded. And yeah, see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you didn't, comment down below. If you did, comment down below. I don't know, bro, my humor is different. You now have the Bob virus. Now you have to go to your profile and copy this comment to infect other people. Nah, I have a strong immune system.
Oh my god.